each one's role. One must feel the peace within. Before one can the work begin. There is yet time for clearing out, but no more time to harbor doubt. The hour has come, and all must grow aware of truth, and all must know, aware of love, enabling soul, and the way of each one's role.